my tote bag full of paint. And I started bombing, I started doing a piece. And some bitch came up to me and said, "You can't do that shit." And I asked her, "Who the fuck are you, man?" She told me, "You can't paint around here. That shit's illegal." And I said, "I paint everywhere." Yeah. Bitch, I paint everywhere. I paint everywhere. I paint everywhere, bitch. I paint everywhere. And I paint everywhere, bitch. I paint it. I paint it. I paint it. I paint it. I painted in Chinatown, Hall of Fame, walls of sin, Congress walls, Crawford steel wall, all them places. I tell you, bitch, I'll paint everywhere. And she looked at me. She said, "Look, you look like one of them dirty motherfucking B2Bs." And I said, "I look like it because I am, motherfucker." And she said, "What the fuck you gonna paint? And what you gonna paint with?" And I said, "Well, let me tell you how. I paint with Ireland, Crown Down, Montana. I paint with Rustola Young. I paint with shit-ass brands of paint. I don't give a fuck. Because I will paint everywhere, man. I will paint everywhere, man. Across this USA, man. I don't give a fuck, man."